In today's video, I am going to be showing you how to achieve this. And this is very easy. It's a very easy technique. You can do it by yourself. It's a protective style. So just like cornrows, flat twists are just twists done on your scalp. Please don't forget to subscribe, okay? Okay. Okay, so I want you to take note of some things, like properly detangling your hair before actually going in to do your flat twist, and also make sure that you properly moisturize your hair. Use your favorite leave-in conditioner and just apply and make sure that your hair is soft and easy to work with. And I'm just going to spray my hair with water just to revitalize my hair as well. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I am just taking a very small portion from the beginning, and I'm going to split that portion into two, just like you're seeing right now, and then I'm going to attempt to twist that just like I would normally do my twist. And as I'm going, I am grabbing hair from both sides. So we're going to be doing this using our index fingers. I'm going to put my left index finger beneath that, grab some hair from the back, bring it forward, picking some hair from the front, put my index finger beneath that again and grab some hair from the back. And I'm just going to keep on doing this. I'll bring it forward again while picking some hair. I don't know if you can see. Grab it again from the back and just keep separating as you keep on going. Make sure you are grabbing hair from both sides. So if your hair is properly detangled while you are doing this twist, it won't be difficult because you don't have knots in your hair. So like everything is just smooth. Like you can see, it's very easy to do this when your hair is properly detangled and also very soft. So make sure you use your favorites, like use a lot of leave-in conditioner basically, so that this is very easy for you to achieve. And just keep going. It's really simple. Like, I mean, this is so simple and it is fast. So it is very simple. Just keep grabbing hair. Make sure that you keep grabbing hair as you go on, because this is what forms the whole flat twist. So you're grabbing hair as you keep progressing. Okay, so by the time we are doing the other side, I'm going to show you how easy it is to comb through my hair, because my hair is properly moisturized, so it makes everything easier. So just hold on till the next part and I will show you how important it is to make sure that your hair is moisturized. Okay, can you see how easy it is? Look at how easy that is. Like, it's so easy for my comb to go through. So before we end this whole tutorial, I just want to tell you to adopt this method, because this is a very good protective style for your natural hair, as opposed to cornrows, because cornrows have the tendency to cut your hair, but this one doesn't have so much tension on your hair. Like, there's not a lot of tension, so this is very much advisable as compared to cornrows, and it is easy. It is so easy. So please adopt this method and protect your hair. So this is the final look, and I really hope this video was helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.